Zoho Books versus OneUp, which has more advanced bookkeeping features. If you're looking for a solution to streamline your bookkeeping, you've likely stumbled upon these two options. Today, we'll compare them, digging into their key features and breaking down what they offer, so by the end, you'll know which one is more advanced for your business needs. Let's kick things off with Zoho Books. It's a well-known software, especially for small businesses, offering a solid range of features for managing finances. You'll get invoicing, expense tracking, and automated workflows that can help streamline daily accounting tasks. It also integrates with several apps, which is great for businesses that use a variety of tools. But when it comes to more advanced bookkeeping features, Zoho Books offers detailed reports and powerful customization, which can be a big plus for businesses that need deeper insights into their financials. Next thing, OneUp is a solid contender, especially if you need something more suited for growing businesses with inventory management needs. OneUp allows for automated bookkeeping, but places a strong focus on stock management, invoicing, and CRM. The key difference here is the simplicity of use. If you're just looking for basic features, OneUp could be a good choice. But for more advanced features like financial forecasting and complex reporting, Zoho Books is going to offer more flexibility. Now, let's dive into pricing. Zoho Books has a tiered pricing system, which can get a little expensive as your needs grow. The entry-level plan gives you basic features, but to unlock advanced reporting or integrations, you'll need to jump to a higher plan. OneUp also offers different pricing tiers, but it's not as expensive as Zoho Books. That being said, you may end up paying more if you need advanced features like multi-currency support or advanced financial reporting, which are available in higher plans. The fourth thing to consider is the ease of use. Zoho Books is user-friendly, especially for those already familiar with other Zoho products. But it might take a little time to fully grasp all the features it offers, especially if you're new to bookkeeping software. OneUp is generally praised for its clean interface and simplicity. However, that simplicity does come at the cost of more advanced bookkeeping features, which you'll find in Zoho Books. If you're looking for something more beginner-friendly with less of a learning curve, OneUp might be your best bet. But let's not forget integrations. Zoho Books supports integrations with several popular apps, such as PayPal, Stripe, and Zoho CRM, making it an excellent choice for businesses that require a diverse set of tools. OneUp, on the other hand, offers integrations too, but it's a bit more limited when compared to Zoho Books. If your business relies on a wide range of software for sales, marketing, or customer management, Zoho Books is likely going to serve you better in terms of integration capabilities. Next, reporting features are crucial for any business owner, and here's where Zoho Books shines. It offers a variety of financial reports, from profit and loss to balance sheets, and even custom reports. The level of detail here is great if you need deeper insights into your business's financial health. OneUp provides basic reports, but if you're serious about data analysis and advanced reporting, Zoho Books is the way to go. Lastly, mobile access. Zoho Books has an app that works well for managing finances on the go. While OneUp also has mobile access, it doesn't offer the same breadth of features as Zoho Books on mobile. If you need to manage your books from your phone while traveling or working remotely, Zoho Books might be the better choice here. To wrap things up, both Zoho Books and OneUp are solid tools, but they each come with their strengths and weaknesses. If you want more advanced bookkeeping features, Zoho Books is the clear winner, especially when it comes to reporting, integrations, and scalability. OneUp may be the simpler choice, but if you need more detailed financial insights, Zoho Books is the way to go. Now, I know there's a lot to unpack here, but if you're looking for the best option to take your bookkeeping to the next level, take advantage of the free trial of the software I recommend in the description below. This trial gives you the best experience and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Try it out for yourself and you'll see the difference. Don't forget to check that first link for a better alternative if you want more advanced bookkeeping features than Zoho Books or OneUp can offer.